In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up a front and back print on the same screen. Coming up. So here are our screens. You can see we have the pocket print and the back print on each of these screens. It's a 3-color job on white t-shirts. So let's set this up on press and I'll show you how it works. Now that we have the screens all set up on press, what you're going to do is tape off your back print. Do your front print first. Once you're finished with your front print, remove the tape from the back print, and then you're going to tape off that front print. Be sure to set your front print up at about 2.5 inches, and then your back print up at about 5 inches. If you need help with this, you can check out our description for our t-shirt registration template. Now that we're all finished with that front print, we're going to tape it off and then pull the tape from the back print and start doing our back print. Well guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share our content, watch our videos over and over. Don't forget we're an official rep for Catspit Productions, so use our promo code Mikey Designs. You'll get $5 off your screen printing supplies or equipment purchase. Till next time guys, we'll see you later.